In the definition of the silting of the reservoir, it is the deposition of silt and clay at the bottom of the reservoir that mainly occurs uh, due to runoff, due to flow of the river. The smaller soil particles such as silt, clay, fine sand, which may be deposited at the bed of the reservoir. The solid particles, the heavy particles or larger particles will settle down due to gravitational force, or some fine particles remain in suspension at the water surface. So this process of deposition of silt and clay at the bottom of the reservoir, at the bed of the reservoir, is known as silting of reservoir. This is an image of process of sedimentation or process of silting in the reservoir. These are the images of silting of reservoir. See this image. The silting process will be like this. The accumulation of the silt and clay at the bed of the reservoir. This is a dam. On the upstream side of the dam, the silt is accumulated, which reduces the storage capacity of the reservoir. Similar silting of reservoir. This is the images of silting of the reservoir. See this silting. There is the accumulation of the silt and clay. So how to control this silting in the reservoir? Silt control in the reservoir. There are two methods to control the sedimentation or silting. And the first type is pre-constructing measures, and second one is post-constructing measures. These are the two methods that we have seen. Pre-constructing measures, in that first it is based on selection of the dam site, construction of the dam in stages, construction of the check dams, vegetation screens, and construction of the undersluices in the dam. These are the various methods, pre-constructing measures to reduce the silting of the reservoir. And post-constructing measures are the removal of the post-flood water, mechanical steering of the sediment, then erosion control and soil conservation. These are the post-constructing measures. So another image is here. It is shown the silting of the reservoir due to accumulation of the silt. The storage capacity will reduce. These are the images of silting of the reservoir. Say the silt is accumulated at the bed of the reservoir. This is catchment vegetation. Catchment vegetation, it is shown. Vegetation screens are provided. Wooden barriers are provided to obstruct the sediments, flushing of sediments from reservoir. So this sediment is steered with the help of mechanical equipments. This is the steering of the sediments or silt at the bed of the reservoir, so that it is allowed to flow through the openings or galleries provided in the dam structure. This is the flushing of the sediments. The sediments which are settled down at the bed of the reservoir, they are flushed, so that the particles will come at the top surface and they are allowed to flow through the openings in the dam structure. This is a mechanical desilting from the reservoir. See this dam structure, in which by using mechanical machineries, the silt is removed. or dredging techniques may be used. The sediment sluicing. These are various images of desilting from the reservoir. Removal of the silt. By these processes, various methods, pre-constructing measures, post-constructing measures, the sediment is removed. This is in this image. The mechanical equipments are installed at the bed of the reservoir, and the sediment which is deposited at the bed of the reservoir that gets stirred, and the particles are uh, removed. The silt is removed. The next content is reservoir sedimentation survey. आवाज येते? Am I audible? आवाज येतोय का? नेट डिस्कनेक्ट झालं होतं. आवाज येतोय? प्लीज रिप्लाय. Hello. Okay. Reservoir sedimentation survey. What are the surveys are carried out to control the sedimentation or to control the silting of the reservoir. Sedimentation of the storage reservoirs is natural process because the large part of the silt is eroded from the catchment area and it is transported by the river and it gets deposited on the bed of the reservoir. So this is due to accumulation of the silt. What happens? Silt जर जमा झालं bottom ला at the bed of the reservoir. What happens? The reservoir capacity will reduce. स्टोरेज कॅपॅसिटी काय होईल, रिड्यूस होईल. So the level of the that silt will increase as it is increases the level of that silt at the bottom of the reservoir, the storage gets reduced. If the silt is less, the layers level of the silt is less, then the storage capacity will be more. So as the silt and clay increases at the bed of the reservoir, the storage capacity reduces. So this causes the reduction in the live storage as well as day storage in the reservoir. The live storage capacity and day storage capacity will be reduced. The progressive loss of capacity due to sediment accumulation results in the reduced benefits and monitor the sedimentation rates.